In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Wix Chat in 2026. If you no longer want the chat feature showing on your Wix website, the good news is that removing it is very simple and only takes a moment when you know exactly where to look. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along inside your Wix dashboard without confusion. To begin, go to your site dashboard. This is the main control panel for your Wix website, where you manage settings, design tools, apps, and other important features connected to your site. Make sure you are inside the correct website dashboard before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one site in the same Wix account. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This menu gives you access to the main areas of your site management. From there, click on Apps. This section is where Wix keeps the applications and integrations installed on your website, including tools like forms, stores, chat features, and other add-ons. After opening the Apps area, find the section labeled Manage Apps. This is the part that shows the apps currently installed on your website. Take a moment to look through the list until you find Wix Chat. Depending on your dashboard layout, it may appear with a small menu icon or arrow next to it. When you locate Wix Chat, click the arrow beside it. This opens the available options for that app. From the menu that appears, click Delete App. That will start the removal process for Wix Chat from your website. At that point, Wix may ask you to confirm the deletion. If you see a confirmation message, review it carefully and then proceed if you're sure you want to remove the app. This is a good moment to double-check, because deleting the app will remove the chat functionality from your site. Once the app has been deleted, Wix Chat should no longer appear as an active app in your website's Managed Apps list. If the chat box was visible on your live site, it may take a quick refresh for the change to be reflected, so reload the page and verify that it's gone. And that's it. By going to your site dashboard, opening Apps, finding Wix Chat under Manage Apps, clicking the arrow and selecting Delete App, you can remove Wix Chat quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.